Gale Academic OneFile provides thousands of quality academic journals and tools to help you dynamically hone a topic into a research question. Basic search is often a great place to start if you have a narrow research focus in mind. But if you're interested in a broad topic, you may want to use the advanced search to filter out articles that just mention your search terms. Try the subject option, which retrieves results tagged to provide more in-depth coverage of the topic. If you're not sure which subject terms to use, try the subject guide search. If you still have a large number of results, apply filters to begin focusing your research. You can also use Topic Finder to visualize key divisions and themes within your results and create a more specific, manageable, and unique focus for your research project. Continue revising your search as much as you like to construct a topic that's both interesting and targeted. When you're ready to start compiling and analyzing sources, be sure to cite and download, or send your sources to your Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive to organize and simplify your work.